Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your battery icon suddenly disappeared from the desk manager in Windows 11, don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, I will show you how to bring it back step by step. Even if you're not seeing any battery-related settings, I will show you how to troubleshoot and possibly restore the icon using simple methods. No special software or complicated tweaks. Let's start with a quick fix that works for many people. Restarting Windows Explorer. This will refresh your taskbar and system tray without restarting your whole PC. Right-click on the Start button and choose Task Manager, or just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Exit to open it quickly. Scroll through the list under the Processes tab and you will see Windows Explorer under the Windows Processes section. Scroll through the list under the Processes tab and you will see Windows Explorer under the Windows Processes section. Right-click on it and select Restart. Your screen might flash for a second and your taskbar will reload. After it reloads, check if the battery icon has returned. If it hasn't, don't worry, we have got more steps to try. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, and click on Other Troubleshooters. From here, you can run Power Troubleshooter. This won't affect any files or apps, it just scans for issues related to power settings. Let it complete the scan, then follow any suggestions that appear. Another option is to check if recent Windows updates caused the issue. Sometimes after an update, certain icons vanish from the start bar. Head to Settings, then Windows Update, click on Update History, and see if anything was installed recently. If so, try uninstalling the latest update or waiting for the next one. Microsoft often fixes these minor bugs in follow-up patches. If you're comfortable using the Registry Editor, here is a more advanced step. Press Windows plus R to open the line dialog. Type Regedit and hit Enter. Now navigate to HKE Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explore. Look for a value named hidesec_power. If it exists and is set to 1, that hides the battery icon. Double-click it and change the value to 0. If you don't see it at all, that's okay. It just means Windows isn't hiding it this way. Close the Registry Editor and restart your PC. See if that brings back the battery icon. And finally, if you're using Grow Policy Editor, here is one more fix. Press Windows plus R and type gpetty.msc. Navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Start Menu, and Taskbar. Look for a setting called Remove the Battery Emitter. If it's enabled, that could be why the icon is missing. Double-click it, choose Not Configured or Disabled, and apply the change. Restart your PC one more time and check your taskbar again. These steps will help you troubleshoot the battery icon issue. If this video helped you out, give the video a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials and fixes.